Hey, all you Slayers, this is Slayer1231 here with some survival series. Kind of the first episode in a way. I just made a little small house, just a little block thing here, rather. Grass, and yeah, I have not found any sheep. I am getting low on, well, I actually have no food. Cooking up some charcoal because I have not found any coal, and I see what I kind of did before: new stone, cobblestone, dirt, and glass. I kind of walk way down, look this way. Yeah, as you can probably tell, I have staff on pine wood or whatever you want to call it. And you can, well, I guess so cool it down, but it was not only on my 30, it would be that I guess it wants to do cabin stuff. And that was the rest of the night, was all the wood. And I am talking gibberish. So, guys, if you hear that squeak, it is a I'm in a very old chair if you hear that squeak, so sorry for that. This is, about at around 9:30 where I live. Oh, Mr. Creeper. Mr. Creeper. Oh, watch noises. Dun 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 dun. No, it's Mr. Creepers are bad. Creepers are bad. Creepers bad. Cause I'm awesome. Making me a sound. Going to kill a creeper. Oh God, no! That was a fail. It's me mad. Look at my life. And I have no food. At least I have a freakishly large amount of sand. Yeah, because I was going to try to dig in the floors and stuff like that. Trying my best to make it work. sorry, it's kind of quiet. I'm just kind of Bill. I'm making a video, Bill. So yeah, I have a friend on Skype right now. So yeah, no, I'm just freaking making the house, because the stupid creeper decided to blow it up. Working. Once I kill like a spider or something, I can get me a fishing pole and go fishing on my dock. Did not need to open my door, but what the evil? Whatever. Oh man, to tell you the truth, I actually did not mean to break that. But before we finished the game, for the backside at least, was walking out. Bill, what are you doing? Playing what? Oh, Yogbox. Yeah, he's been like, my friend Bill is like obsessed with Yogbox. I will leave a link to his channel in the description. I bet he will be happy about that, won't you, Bill? Would you like me to put a link to your channel in the description? Okay. He says yes, please. So he said please, and that's the magic word. So I'm gonna let him. Pumpkin juice with snowballs is fun. If I find pumpkins anywhere, I will probably. That looks ugly to messed up. Breaking windows is fun. What time is it now? Well, I don't know how long it has been, but I guess, see you for this episode, guys. Remember, boys eat corn dogs. Peace.